How to get more Instagram followers. Tip number 1. Craft a great bio and profile. Your profile is the backbone of your presence on Instagram. 2/3 of Instagram business profile visits are from non-followers. Your profile needs to convince those new views to click the follow button. They won't do so if your profile is unclear, incomplete, or unappealing. Here's what you can include in your profile: website, the only place on Instagram where you can include a clickable link; bio, 150 characters to convey your brand identity and show new visitors why they should follow you. Tip number 2. Use relevant hashtags. Hashtags make your posts and stories discoverable to people searching for content. Before using hashtags, make sure you know the do's and don'ts of using hashtags on Instagram. Tip number 3. Tag your location. Add a clear location element in your post or story. It is worth adding a location tag. It's one more easy way for people to find your content on Instagram. Tip number 4. Use the Instagram name tag. Your Instagram name tag is a scannable code that allows Instagram users to follow you instantly. The Instagram name tag is an easy and effective way to promote your account offline. Tip number 5. Post consistently. Your existing followers want to see content from you. That's why they followed you in the first place, so give them something great to interact with. Tip number 6. Ask your followers to tag their friends. Every once in a while, try encouraging your followers to tag their friends in the comments. This can help expose your Instagram account to a larger network of people. Tip number 7. Write compelling captions. Your captions play a big role in increasing engagement, and you get more reach and insights. Ask a question. This makes it easy for your audience to leave a comment. That engagement will help make your account visible to more people. Tip number 8. Tag relevant users. Tagging someone encourages them to engage with the post and share it with their own following. When you tag someone on Instagram stories, they can share that content to their own story with just a couple of taps. Tip number 9. Post at the right time. To figure out the best time to post for your own brand, consider your audience. What does their typical day look like? When are they most active on Instagram? Start testing various times and measuring results. Tip number 10. Promote your Instagram. Make your Instagram profile easily discoverable. Share a link to your Instagram profile and give your existing social followers a reason to check it out. Tip number 11. Learn from Instagram Insights. Instagram analytics tools will give you data on impressions for each post, along with reach, engagement, top posts, and more. Reviewing this data on a regular basis can help you identify areas where you can adjust your strategy to help you get more followers.